The show is a very interesting combination. It looks at agriculture before the age of mechanization. It combines actual artifacts that were used in the area related to farming, wonderful detailed models of farm equipment made by one of our members, Tom Grassel. They are complemented with drawings of the late Florence Starr Taylor. Florence traveled throughout the area drawing agricultural scenes, and I think the three aspects of the show combined make a very interesting approach, one that perhaps has never been done before.